Alright, so this would be the part 5 of the video. This is like towards the back half of the convertible top. We're reviving it with the Renovo soft top reviver. And if you guys watch my other videos on it, it shows how I clean the top. And this is actually a second part of the dyeing process. In case you guys were wondering how I did the back part. Wet towel, very important. Like to go down where the seam is, because there was a little line over there. So pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but you can see it permeating the fabric and then going around in the corner. So far, I've only poured out half of the bottle, so I still have another half left, and all along this part over here was also very faded, and it's very important that you get that part. And yeah, pretty much process probably gonna take me about half an hour to do the whole thing. I could have done the whole video, but I think a half an hour video would be just way too long for anyone to watch all the way through. So I did it in little sections, and hopefully I did it right. Go around, show you guys one side and the other side. So this whole part has been dyed and it looks really good for now, but it's also wet. Over here I still have my oil spots, but hopefully when it dries, the dye would have dyed everything, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Still very wet, and I'm gonna have this side left, and then after that I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna go see what I've got going on. These are the parts that I really wanted to get off, but I didn't want to scrub it too much because I didn't want to damage the top. So if that doesn't work, then at least the rest of the roof will be more black.